Can you name these cleaning items? Watch until the end and learn with Learn English for Life.
Broom, broom. Mop, mop. Bucket, bucket. Dustpan, dustpan. Brush, brush. Scrub brush, scrub brush. Sponge, sponge. Cleaning cloth, cleaning cloth. Microfiber cloth, microfiber cloth. Duster, duster. Feather duster, feather duster. Vacuum cleaner, vacuum cleaner. Trash bag, trash bag. Garbage bin, garbage bin. Gloves, gloves. Spray bottle, spray bottle. Disinfectant, disinfectant. Detergent, detergent. Bleach, bleach. Floor cleaner, floor cleaner. Glass cleaner, glass cleaner. Toilet cleaner, toilet cleaner. Dish soap, dish soap. Hand soap, hand soap. Laundry detergent, laundry detergent. Fabric softener, fabric softener. Stain remover, stain remover. Air freshener, air freshener. Paper towel, paper towel. Tissue, tissue. Wipes, wipes. Mop head, mop head. Squeegee, squeegee. Plunger, plunger. Toilet brush, toilet brush. Trash can, trash can. Dustbin, dustbin.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video.